أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وزدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Okay, so today we are talking about flexibility in this class, inshallah, flexibility of nouns, right? So, Vanita, yes, would you start, please?
Yes, Miss. So, Miss, here we are going to talk about flexibility, which is shown by the status again, which shows that a word, an ism can be either rafa, nasab, or jar. And also it can be with tanween, which is heavy, and without tanween, which is light. Here we are going to talk about three categories primarily, basically, which is fully flexible, partly flexible, and non-flexible. And as it is written in front of us that most isms are fully flexible. And
so
all the,
what does flexibility mean? First, we need to understand this.
Yeah, so this means that a word can have, for example, if we take example of word Muhammad, yes. So
instead
it can
of
be
word, Vinita, we should use the word ism. Yes,
ism,
noun, so that there will be no confusion, because when we say word is a verbal, so we are not talking about verbs here. We are talking about only nouns, so that there will be no confusion, right? So instead of word, what we will use? Nouns, right? We use the word
nouns,
noun.
Ism, okay. So what we mean by fully flexible is that it can take all the 6 versions. And what are those 6 versions? That it can take un, an, in, or u, a, e. For example, if we take Muhammad as an example, so it can be Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin, as we saw in the chart, Musliman chart. Yeah, it can also be Muhammadu, Muhammada, Muhammadi, or just take an example of Musliman. So it can be Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimu, Muslima, Muslimi. We have seen.
In the status of Rafa, Nasab, right?
And also light and heavy.
Light and heavy. In all, like heavy and light, either it is coming with tanween, Muhammadun, Rafa, right? Halat Rafa, with heavy haraka, and then Muhammadu with light, right? Both ways it can come. Muhammadu, Muhammadan, dun, dan, din, or Muhammadu, Muhammada, Muhammadi.
Yeah, right. So we can say that all the 6 possibilities are there. Like all the 6 possibilities are possible. Yeah,
so they are called flexible.
Fully flexible. And how Ustad had taught us is that take them as citizens of a country. They have full rights.
Okay.
So fully flexible means they have all the rights. So they can have on, they can have in, they can have an. Like this is one of the ways to understand. Sure. So as it's written in the second one is that they can be heavy or light, as we've seen that it can be Muslimun or Muslimu. It can be Muslimin, and it shows all the 3 status like jar, arafa, nasab, jar. Yeah. Sure. And if we look at the Muslim chart on page 6, which we have done, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. So these are and these are only for singulars, flexibility.
This one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin in singular, right?
Yeah.
And these 3, Rafa, Nasab, jar, these 3, and here.
And the light ones.
Yeah.
Muslimu,
Muslimu, Muslima, Muslimi. Light.
Yes. Yeah.
Fine. So it can take all these 3 forms. So this is fully flexible.
Yeah, these are fully flexible. Then they have taken non-flexible first, because this is the short, this is small, because partly flexible is a big category. So they have taken it in the later. So non-flexibles can be taken as illegal immigrants, like You know,
Okay.
those who do not, because partial are those who, they are like residents like us, who have some rights and who don't have some rights.
Right.
So this is how, but non-flexible are those who have no rights, like they are illegal.
Okay. Illegal.
And they all look the same, they have no version. Yeah. So so it says that they have only one form, they all look same in all the status.
Rafana,
like
whatever is there, they will
yeah.
not change anything.
Yeah, like we don't have Musu, Musa, Musi. It's always Musa, Musa, Musa. And mostly, yeah, so there is no version, there is no variation. R and J, like Rafa, Nasabjar, all look the same. Yeah. And pointing words, Ismul Ishara, relative pronouns, they all come under this category, non-flexible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is.
Is that clear for everyone? I hope it's clear for everyone.
So if you just write illegal, like, you know, just
if I add the categories Arabic names for these, fully flexible are Munsarif. Yes, because I think we have Nashmi. Do you remember reading this in our regular class before revision?
Munsarif, miss?
I
don't remember, miss. Munsarif.
You don't remember? Okay.
No.
Yeah. Even I'm not sure I have taught you or I have skipped it. I'm not sure. Okay. Anyways, is that clear right now, Nashmi?
Yeah. But miss, just a little slow. I'm noting down.
Sure.
I think you're a little faster.
Okay, I'll repeat it because from our side we are revising. So revision is fast. But if it is you're trying to understand it as first time, so we'll be slow down. No problem.
No, miss. I have understood this. I'm just noting down, so I felt a little faster.
Okay. So Yani, we are talking about munsarif, right? Because sarf means to change. So munsarif, they keep changing, right? They change. They change halat rafa nasab jar in all these three status. They change their form. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, right? And this is in the case of heavy Arab, right? With tanween. But in light, we don't take tanween, right? In light. So in light also, they take all the three forms, Muslimu, Muslima, Muslimi. So all six forms they can take.
Yeah, miss, that's clear.
They are fully flexible. And in Arabic term, because you should know the Arabic terms as well, you might be studying after that your own like self-study. So if you are consulting any book, you should be able to understand these terms as well. So munsarif means fully flexible. Clear? And Muslimun, we just took one example. Like there are, I think, many, definitely large number of words are there.
It says that 99% of words are fully flexible in Arabic.
99?
Yeah.
Mashallah. Okay. Yeah, so it's a big category, right? And then non-flexible, totally unchangeable, right? They
no
don't
variation.
change, no variation at all.
No version. No version. Only
in
one
all
version.
Three forms. If it is coming in halat rafa or nasab or jar, they will be same. They will look like same. And the examples, two examples are given. Musa, dunya, right? So, and they are very few as compared to munsarif and ghair. So this is munsarif and this is ghair munsarif. Am I right, Vinita?
Sorry, miss.
Non-flexible are ghair munsarif.
Yeah, I haven't written the. I had only written for that. No,
I'm so sorry. No, they are not ghair munsarif. They are mabni. I'm so sorry.
Mabni.
They are called mabni. Mabni. It's from bina. Bina matlab the building, Nashmi. Bina, building. So building, definitely it's solid, na? You can't change its structure once it's made, hai na? So it will be like, when you make walls on your building. So how can you change inside the home you can make changes, but the structure will be the same once it's
Yes.
built. Otherwise, you
Yes.
have to, let it down and
Demolish. Yeah.
demolish, and then you can make it again. But once it's done, then it is done, right? No change,
Yeah.
no flexibility in the main structure. So this is like bina means building. From there, you can remember maybe that mabni is
mabni.
non-flexible, right?
Okay.
And the examples also you have seen Dunya, Musa, these
So
type
miss,
of
it's
words.
it's
Yeah.
written words ending in alif. So words will end with alif. That's also a sign that the word is
Okay.
mabni.
Okay.
No, I'm just asking, is it like that?
We can make it. Yes, Vinita, we can make it a rule. The word
Yeah,
ending
yeah.
It's
with
written.
This is
It's
like, for
written,
example,
right, miss?
Isa, Musa. Yeah, yeah. Like, for
Hmm.
example, Isa and Musa, they always have the same version. Like,
Hmm.
yeah. So word. This is one of the rules. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So Mabni is the name, right? The title. Okay. And then after that, and just let me delete it. Shall we move to the next category? Okay, Nashmi, as you were trying to make a rule, so Dunya, Musa,
No,
you
no,
have
no. I'm
seen
not.
this.
I'm not
No,
making. It's
no,
written,
trying.
miss.
No, no, no,
It's
I mean,
written.
definitely trying to. It's written.
It's
Yeah,
written
it's
before
written.
the words ending
Wording.
in alif. I
Alif.
just
Oh,
read
oh.
that.
I'm so sorry, so sorry. ठीक है, ठीक है. No, you were trying to make it in your mind fixed, na? कि
Yeah,
okay,
I
like
was
this.
just thinking it's whether it's
Haan.
written, so we should also
Hmm. Ending in
consider
alif
that.
like this. Acha.
Yeah,
So it's written ending in alif, but this is also written Musa, but it is not ending in alif.
but the sound
So
is right, miss?
sound is of alif. Yes, yes. So
Yes,
this
yes.
is the way. Either physically alif is there or in sound alif is there.
Sound.
You
Yes,
can
miss.
see a ya there, but ya is not pronounced. Alif is
Yes,
pronounced, right? So in this
yes,
way, it's
yes.
written alif. Correct. And
Mm-hmm.
the other thing, one is this, that as a word sound ending in alif, or the other thing is a single and plural ism. इसमें मौसूल मौसूल मतलब यानी connecting words, what we were saying, alladhi, the one who, right? It is used,
Mm-hmm.
alladhi is used to, we read this under the name isme mausul. Remember, Nashmi, these alladhi,
Yeah.
alladhani,
These
alladhina,
are
hai na?
relative pronouns, right, miss? They connect, right?
Relative pronouns,
Yes. Yeah. Relative.
we can call it like that also,
Yeah, like
because
in
they relate
English,
to the,
I'm just reading the English words, so we can say it's a relative pronoun.
okay, fine, fine, fine.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Relative.
So alladhi, alladhani, alladhi. Alladhi is always alladhi. No other version you will find, right?
Okay.
हाँ.
And that's why with
Okay.
them we use fi mahalli, right? Yes.
في محل رفع or في محل nasab. Yes.
Yeah.
في محل mean in the status of rafa, but rafa's sign you will not be able to see. Okay, inshallah, when we will be practicing, we will see that from the translation when we'll be practicing. Okay, and then ma, man, these type of words also, right? Man, whoever, they also come under this category. They are not part of this chart. You can see, hai na? But they also use, ma has three meanings. Ma means no, ma means what, and ma means whatever or whoever, right? Whatever also. So man also same. Man means who also, and man means whoever also, right?
Okay.
So
And
when
miss
it
ma
goes
means
G,
no as well, right? You told?
exactly, no as well. But in certain places, ma is
Maybe.
used as mausula, as relative
Okay.
pronoun as well. ठीक है? कि
So maybe in
like the
context we need to understand.
definitely we will understand with the help of context, like that how it is used, where it is used, right? Inshallah. So when it is, and anyways, even if it is, they have included it in this chart, like in Isma Mausul's category, even if it is not coming as Isma Mausul, if it is coming as ma in the sense of no, or ma in the sense of what, then also they are mabni.
Yes.
Ma
Okay.
is not taking it. And again, if you apply this rule that it is ending in alif, so ma is
Alif.
ending in alif, you cannot change it, right? What
Yeah.
other possible form or pronunciation is there? Me, mu can't be pronounced, hai na? Because there is alif in the end. And then man, okay? Man.
Okay.
Acha, they have written here partially flexible, Vinita.
Yeah. Because
Huh.
The last one. That maybe that is not included because it just says singular and
See.
plural ism masul, not the dual.
I think, yeah. Okay.
Maybe that
All these
no,
are also. I'll tell you. Alladhi, allati, alladhina, allahi, allat. These 6, hai na? Alladhi and allati for male or female, and here in singular and here in plural. They are
plural.
Plural, yes.
non-flexible, but alladhani is partially flexible. Because in one status it is, this is halat rafa, alladhani, but in halat rafa, nasab and jar, it will be alladhaini. That's why it is written like this. Okay? Instead of alladhani, this zani is, ani sound, so that is halat rafa. But in halat nasab and jar, it will be zaini, like, muslimaini. So they take that sound, alladhaini. Right? In halat nasab and in halat jar also, both. So that, and allataini, right? In dual, halat rafa is alladhani and halat nasab and jar is alladhaini. And same here, allatani, halat rafa, allataini, halat nasab and jar. But they are rarely used in Quran. Hardly, I think once it has come alladhaini, if I'm not forgetting. Anyways, it's very less. And even I found in some books they don't mention it even. Such rare case, so they don't even mention it. Okay, and acha, why man is written here? Because certain places we need to connect it with the next. So maybe there we take kasra, manilladhi, like this, right? So maybe they have written for this reason that this is also partially. Or only for these two they have
No,
written?
it's only
Only
for
the
these
star.
two.
Only the
Only the
star,
star
right?
ones, not for man. Only for
Fine.
star ones.
For ma and man, it's not there. Only staric ones. These two are, I have explained you, right? In halat rafa and nasab and jar, they will be different, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And the singular and plural pointing words, all ulaika.
Demonstrative nouns. Demonstrative pronouns.
Okay, demonstrative, fine.
Yeah.
Or pointing nouns also we call them, no?
Pointing.
Or demonstrative. And there also they said singular and plural, because here also hazihi, hazani is the dual, right? Hazani. So hazaini will be halat nasab and jar. Got it, Nashmi? Same
Yes,
as we
miss.
have studied here. Alladhani, and then haza's dual is hazani. Haza, hazani, haulai. Like singular here, singular, dual, plural, है ना? Alladhani, alladhina. ठीक है? So what are the singular, dual, plural for haza? Haza here, haza, hazani,
Ani,
haulai.
haulai. Okay.
Yeah, this is the plural. Haulai. ठीक है? And so this is halat rafa. But singular and plural are completely, are non-flexible. They don't change, right? But dual here also has little flexibility, and they are partially flexible, because haza's plural is hazani, hazani in halat rafa, but in halat nasab and jar, what it will be, Nashmi?
Sorry, miss. Hazaini. Which one?
Hazani is halat rafa here.
Hazaini.
Dual. Hazaini is halat nasab and jar.
Nasab jar. Yes, miss.
So definitely then they are not non-flexible. No? They became flexible. They took
because they can change.
So that's why they are partially flexible, right?
Okay, so this is partially flexible. That one.
Same like isma mausul. Same like this. In singular and plural, they are non-flexible, but in plural, they
will be
partially flexible, right?
Yes.
Okay. And like zalika also, zalika, zanika. Zanika is the, I don't know, they didn't give the chart. Zalika is singular, zanika is dual. Okay. In other books, the chart. Zanika is the dual and ulaika is the plural. Zalika,
Okay.
zanika, ulaika. It's like this. So
Okay.
zalika and ulaika are completely non-flexible, but
Yes.
zanika is in the dual form
Zanika.
is partially flexible, right?
Yes.
So this is halat rafa, zanika. What will be halat nasab and jar?
Zanika.
Is halat
Sorry.
rafa.
Yes.
Zanika is halat rafa, ठीक है?
Mm-hmm.
But what
Then
will be
ulai. Sorry.
नहीं, हाँ, what will be halat nasab and jar for this dual?
Zanika.
Zanika is halat rafa. What will be halat
Yes.
nasab? Zainika.
Zainika. Okay.
Same like that, Nashmi.
Yes. Yes.
Same like that as I've
Zainika.
told here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Allah Zani, and I told you Allah Zaini, right? Instead of
Al-Zaini.
alif, you
Yes.
will put a ya.
Yes.
So all these three will be taking the same. Haza's dual. Hazani is halat rafa. Hazaini will be nasab
Zaini.
and jar.
Yes.
ठीक है? Nasab and jar.
Yes.
Same way Zanika
Yes. Will be
halat
nasab and
rafa.
jar.
And what will be nasab and jar?
Zainika.
Zainika.
Yes.
Allazani is halate rafa. What will be nasab and jar? Zaini.
Al-Zaini. Yes.
Exactly. Is that clear now for all three?
Yeah. Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Yes, miss.
Mhm. Alhamdulillah. But in singular and dual, they are non-flexible.
Yeah.
In dual only, they are flexible. And the
Mm-hmm.
flexibility is little. It's not that in halate nasab and jar also they are different, है ना? Like completely flexible was what? कि halate rafa is something else, nasab is something
Yes.
else, jar is something else. All three forms they were taking, right? But here
Mm-hmm.
we are taking them partially flexible. Why? Because in
Because two
halate
forms.
rafa,
Yeah.
ha is
Yeah.
different and nasab and jar
Yeah.
is same.
Yes.
है ना? So they are not
Yes.
completely flexible. They are little bit flexible. That in two forms it's taking only, not three forms, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So I think that's all for today. Partially flexible we may do next class. What do you
Okay.
suggest, Vinita?
Miss, I would say
Or
suggest that just have
do
a
it?
introduction. No, just
Chalo.
introduction,
Okay,
and
then
then the exercises
sure.
we can do next week.
Okay, okay. Give the
है ना?
introduction then.
Yeah,
Okay.
because yeah. So the
The
introduction
topic is
is
started,
these.
huh?
Yeah. So this one is partly flexible, as you can see from the name itself. That we can say they are legal residents, so they have some
Okay.
rights. So
Hmm.
they can take two harkas, which is like two status, which is waw and fatha. Like they can take damma and fatha. So they can show rafa and nasab status. Though there is no jar status.
Okay. The ma they can show, right? And they
Yeah.
can show fatha.
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 Yes.
But they cannot take a kasra. They
No,
cannot
they
take.
cannot.
Hmm.
Cannot take the kasra.
Hmm. So
So yeah.
this is possible. This is not possible. And
Yeah.
the Arabic name is ghair munsarif,
Yeah.
right?
And
First,
yeah.
first
And
category.
one more thing is
Munsarif,
miss,
Mahjub.
other than the status, there is one more thing. They are always light. Like for example,
You
flexible
can't
when we
take
were
tanween also, yes.
yeah. So they are never heavy. They are
Hmm.
always light.
Yes.
So unlike fully flexible that has all the six forms, it has only two and just two. Like it cannot take kasra and it cannot be heavy. It cannot take tanween.
Yeah, so I'm trying to write here. It has two restrictions, right? Why it is partially what is the pronunciation? Partly or partially? Because my teacher have taught me partially.
Yeah, it's
I don't know.
the same thing, but we use it partly flexible here. But
Okay.
partially is also same. It's the same thing.
I
It will have
understand,
different
yeah.
spellings. Yeah.
No, spelling is same.
No, partially will have TIALLY.
But the meaning is same?
Huh, same. Partial means something which is not fully, and but
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, okay.
But partial will have PARTIAL.
I
Partial.
don't know. I remember reading this also as partially. Anyways, thank you for correction. Okay. So like this partly flexible have two restrictions. That's why they are partly flexible, right? One restriction is that it cannot take a kasra. Simple. Just remember this, right? It cannot take a kasra. And the second restriction is, right? This is one restriction. It cannot take kasra. And the second restriction is it cannot be heavy. It cannot take a tanween, right? This is also not possible. This is also not possible. That's why they are partly flexible. They can only take dhamma and fatha. Is that clear? Nashmi?
Like we can say that even the jar form is shown by the
Fatha.
the fatha. Yes.
As we were discussing there, I think when we were discussing this, this partially here also partly flexible. We were discussing na कि Allah zani is halat rafa and Allah zaini is nasab and jar both. If we have to show halat nasab, then also it will be Allah zaini. If we have to show halat jar, then also Allah zaini. So there is no separate halat jar. Here also, if you have to show halat nasab, you will put a fatha. And if you have to show halat jar also, then also you will show put a fatha only, because it cannot take jar. So then this is taking two possible forms only, as Lazani and Lazaini were taking two possible forms only. Ji, Nashmi, please come and tell me, is that clear?
Yes, miss.
Hai na? Why
Yeah,
they
yeah.
are partly flexible? Can you repeat, please? So that I'm sure that you got it.
Yeah, because miss, they are not taking tanween, and they won't take kasra as well. Yes, and at the same time,
they take
they will only take
fatha.
only light dhamma and fatha.
Right. So that's why they are actually taking two forms, right?
Yes.
Out of 6 total forms, which we discussed
Only
in
2 forms.
fully flexible, we discussed total 6 forms, right? So out
Yes.
of those 6, it can only take these 2 forms. So that's why they are not completely non-flexible, and they are not completely flexible, but they are partly flexible. Is that clear? Alhamdulillah.
Yes, and you also told that even if it's fatha, but you
Halat
can
jar,
also
even if
jar,
it is halat jar, it will take a fatha only. But definitely, Nashmi, we can recognize this is halat jar. Why? Because halat jar only comes due to 2 reasons. Remember always.
Yes, miss.
Either
Hurf
jar
jar.
will be there,
Yes,
or
and the
it will be
possession, miss.
possessive.
Yes, miss. Yeah, it will
Possession.
show possession. Yes, miss.
So easily we can recognize, okay, here is a possession, so this is halat jar. Okay, or here is a harf jar, this is halat jar, status of jar, right? Other status will be halat nasab. So we can easily recognize that. So I think this partly flexible, a closer look. Yani Makkah.
If you want, you can do it next time, because
class.
this is slightly detailed. Yeah.
Detailed, yeah. So with examples we can discuss. Okay. So alhamdulillah, introduction of all 3 is given. Any question from anyone? Aisha, or we have Aisha Javeria is also there. Is that all clear, or you want to ask anything? Yes, yeah, Aisha.
Yes, miss, it's clear, miss.
Alhamdulillah, good. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so we'll move to the translation then, inshallah. Yeah. Can you see the translation now, Quran? Okay. G. Yes, Vanita. Would you like to come?
Okay, miss. Or if you want somebody else to come, it's okay.
Is somebody willing to come to start? I think you can start, Vanita.
Okay, miss.
We have very less time, but anyways, chalo, let's start with it. Maybe one word we can do. So, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif Lam Mim. We have done already, right? That they are huruf muqatta'at, and we recite them separately, and there is no meaning for that. Yani as we are definitely not joining them, so don't take any meaning. They are separate letters. Only Allah knows the reality, right, about them. Okay, and then only till Zalikal Kitabu. Yeah, this is the book. La Raiba, no doubt. Fihi, in it. Fi is harf jar.
Harf jar.
And
He
he
is majroor.
and he is a pronoun in it, and he is this pronoun is returning back to what? To kitab.
Mm.
है ना?
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
kitab masculine or feminine word?
Masculine.
Is it masculine? Because we can't
Masculine.
find any sign of feminine.
Sign of feminine. Yeah.
There are 3 signs of feminine. Who will tell me the 3 signs of feminine from the class? Anyone, please? Aisha, do you remember? What are the 3 signs of feminine?
Miss Ta marbuta. Then
Yes.
alif.
Ta marbuta.
Then alif.
Alif mamduda, like with mad it will be. Like alif mamduda and alif. Alif maksura. We call it alif maksura. And this is the same case we were discussing Musa, right? Like there will be, you will see a ya, but before that there will be a short, small alif. That will make the sound of alif, right? As in the case of Musa. When you write Musa, it is actually like this, right? Seen and ya, but seen has a standing alif, or you can say short alif. So that makes the sound of alif, right? So we call it alif maksura. Okay. Okay. And how will you remember it? I'm giving you a tip. Have you heard the word salatul qasr or not?
Salatul qasr.
It's a term. Qasr salat. Like this, qasr. It's a shortened prayer. Traveler's prayer. Do you know about this, Aisha?
No, Miss.
No, when we are traveling.
Salatul qasr.
Yes, Miss.
When we are traveling, do we offer our full salah? Aisha, are you aware?
No, Miss.
You are not aware, or we don't offer full, complete salah?
Yeah, we don't miss.
We don't.
We don't pray complete, right? For example, if it is Zuhr time and we are traveling, we will offer only 2 rakats.
Yes.
Yeah, that I know. Okay, Miss.
So this is called shortened prayer in English, right? Because instead of 4 rakats, you offered only 2 rakats. Okay? And Arabic term is salatul
Jam
qasr.
or something like that. Jam or.
That is another thing. Jama bain salat, jamal taqdeem and jamal ta'khir. That's another thing.
Okay.
That's another thing. I'm talking about traveler's prayer. Okay. That if we are traveling, we offer shortened prayer. Instead of 4 rakats, we offer only 2 rakats. But the Arabic term is salatul qasr. That I'm offering qasr salah. This is the word qaf sad ra. Okay, salatul qasr. And qasr.
Okay, Miss. Now I remember. Okay. Salatul qasr means I don't. Qasr means okay. I don't.
Qasr means short. Qasr means short, right?
That I remember. That I know.
Okay. So salatul
qasr. You said salatul qasr, then I'm confused.
Oh, sorry.
Because I used to say jam and qasr like that. I used to remember. Jam means shortened and used to.
Okay, fine. Okay, so this alif is called this alif. This is called alif maqsura. The same from the main root word is same from qasr, short.
Okay.
Right? Alif maqsura. It's written like this, maqsura. You understand? The root word is qaf sad ra. Maqsura. Shortened alif. So this is a shortened alif, right? Because it's not coming as full, it's coming as short alif, but the sound is of alif sound.
Okay.
So ta marbuta, you very well remember. So alif mamduda is the other category, and third category is alif maqsura.
Okay.
Short alif, right? I think now you shouldn't forget. Inshallah. Okay, so let's quickly come. So these were 3 categories of feminine noun, but there is none of them, right? Al-kitab. There is none of them, so we take it as masculine noun, right? And that's why this is fihi. Otherwise, if it is a feminine noun, it should be fiha, right? Because this pronoun is returning back to kitab. So there is no doubt in it. Hudan. Yeah. Yes, Vanita, would you like to explain it a bit? Hudan. Okay. Husband is on call. Yeah. Anyone else like to come and say it? What is
Yes,
Hudan?
miss.
Yes, please.
Miss, this is a noun and the root word is ha, dal, and ya, and it's a
Okay.
guidance, like
Mhm.
hidayat, right, miss?
Exactly. Yes. Ha, dal, ya
Yeah.
is the root word. Fine.
Yes. And this is a masculine noun, miss.
Hmm. Because there is no sign of feminine.
Yes, miss.
Okay. And what else?
A guidance, then lil muttaqin.
But
Lil,
why it has
sorry,
taken fathatain? Because if there is a fathatain, there will be a reason
it's
for
a
that. Huh.
yes, miss.
So what could be the reason for
This
this?
is it's a guidance. I think this is the nasab, miss.
It is in halat nasab,
Nothing
yes.
nasab.
Huh.
Because it shows that in it there is a guidance, right? It details of it is giving us the detail, right, miss?
Okay. You are trying to mix it with verb.
Okay,
Yani,
so no.
yani
What you're
see,
asking, miss?
no, when we were
Why?
discussing about halat nasab, right? Halat nasab
Mm-hmm.
is there that it will be the details of the action, right?
But we
There is
haven't
no
seen any
action.
action. Yeah.
There is no action.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that will
So we're
apply on verbs. ठीक है?
okay. Yes, miss. Okay. Yes.
The
So
nouns
this
which
is.
are related to verbs, right? But there is no
Mm-hmm.
action taken place. So there is another category also of halat nasab that it come as tameez or it come as yani ke this book has come as guidance. We translate it
Mm-hmm.
as guidance. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Uh-huh. In the next class, inshallah, I'll give you the proper term
It is
also
it
for
is
this.
actually the
Mm.
extra information about the book, right, miss? Sometimes we say.
Yes, you
So
can
this is
say.
a book. We place a comma,
In
then we'll
it,
give some
there is
information. Yeah,
information, yeah, guidance.
and
There is
then
a guidance.
guidance.
For
Yes. Then for whom lil muttaqin. So this is for the one who fear Allah, the God conscious people, right?
hmm.
Lil
And what is
muttaqin.
the
So
status? Huh.
so this is miss. This is jar because li is there.
Harfajar. Li is harfajar.
Yeah,
Yes.
harf jar is there,
So it
and
is
li
status
means
of.
for,
Hmm.
and then it will be in halat jar, right, miss?
Yeah, it is an halatajar. This yanun
Yes.
symbol of because yanun could be halatajar or halate nasab, right?
Yes.
What will be the halate rafa, Nashmi?
Sorry.
Halate rafa
Yes.
would be muttaqoon, right? With waw noon. It's a plural.
Takun. Yes,
Muttaqoon.
yes, miss. Yes. This is
Muttaqoon.
Ina. This is the combination, right, miss?
Yeah. So
We studied
muttaqoon
about the.
will be halate rafa for plural.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
plural, but due to li, it is in halate jar. We can recognize it is in halate jar. Muttaqeen.
Okay.
For those who fear God, who fear
Yes.
Allah, right? So taqwa means
Mm-hmm.
fear of God. Yeah. What else you
Yes.
want to add?
No, miss. What's the root word, miss?
What is the root word that? What I was going to ask you.
Yeah.
Okay, I have noted down. It's written waki, but I didn't understand how.
Okay. Wow.
Wow,
Of.
kaf, yeah.
This is the root word you have written.
Yeah,
Hmm.
this is I have copied. I don't know how it has been. Wow, kaf, and
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so try to recognize it now. What are these letters? Wow and ya. What type of letters are these?
This is the Sikh
Nashmi?
letters, miss.
Sikh letters, yes. So when Sikh
Yes.
letters come, we need to treat them.
Okay, so we need to treat. Okay, that's why this muttaqi has come. Oh, okay.
And it is, it is from this muttaqeen is ismul fa'il. Remember? studying
I know, miss. Yeah, yeah. All the babs, right, miss?
See, Nashmi, those bab were for verbs, okay? But from verb,
Okay,
we
okay.
make ismul file, remember? Like those sulasi mujarrad and sulasi mazid fihi,
Yes, yes, miss.
है ना? Those sulasi
5
mujarrad.
forms we used to make, right, miss? The
Hmm.
5 categories, the masdar and all. You're talking
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. From is like, see,
Ismul file and yeah.
first see that there are some sulasi mujarrad. That means only 3 letters will be there. There are 3 original letter in that
Yes,
verb.
yes,
But if
yes.
we add 1 or 2 letters, it becomes sulasi mazid fihi. Remember?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
In sulasi mazid fihi, we have studied 9 abwab, 9 families, you can say, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yeah.
In that, like we were saying that when we have to make ismul file, that is made from fele mudare.
Madi, mudari.
Fele
Okay.
mudare, not
Yeah,
madi,
from
fele
verb.
mudare.
Okay, okay.
From fele. So this was yattaqin. Javeria, would you like to add how it has become
So this has been
muttaqin?
made from
From
verb, you're saying, right, miss?
from verb, yes, because this is ismul
Present.
file. This is not
File,
normal
yes.
ism. This is ismul file.
Okay. Okay,
Hmm.
miss.
Yeah. Okay, I think it will take little detail. So we will
So maybe we can do.
we will discuss it in the next class, inshallah. But remember
Okay.
the root word and remember that this is ismul file. Okay?
So we need what's the
Hmm.
mudari, right?
It is.
First
It
one,
has
right?
been formed from mudare. Yes.
Okay, miss.
Correct.
Yeah. We can do in next lesson, right?
Inshallah. Because we
Yes.
took more time for grammar. Anyways, inshallah.
Okay,
Chale, we'll end here.
okay, miss.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم آمين يا رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته